Hey, I'm Corey, and I make tutorials. This one is for quick and realistic marble, without airbrush tricks. You'll want any color of base paint, a similar wash, but darker, and some white ink, or paint, or whatever. I'll list what I used in the description. In addition to a base coating brush, you'll also want one on the thin side, as well as a right knackered one that you're willing to straight up murder. Start off by giving your model the old too thin coats. This can get a bit messy, so I do this whole process before any surrounding detailing. Next, set up a couple piles of your base color and your white. Then grab your sacrificial brush and noogie it. We want it to look like a dead spider you found in the shower. Dab it into your base color with a little white added, and we're ready. With your brush, you're going to be stabbing at the model. You can make some harder, some softer, and you can twist the brush as well. Once we have good coverage, we'll add more white to our mixture and do it all over again. This is also all over, not highlighting our last dabs. From there, we'll grab our straighter brush and using nearly pure white, we'll draw some manual veins into the marble. We want this brighter than our end result will be. Then, give it an all-over wash. Focus on glazing, preventing it from pooling excessively by wicking away excess. Then do it again. To pass the time while it dries, consider finding a puppy to give a cookie to. You want a cookie? There you go. You could stop there, but let's do a bit better. We repeat the painting stage again from last time. The first painting round is more for more subtle veins in the marble. These ones will appear closer to the surface, adding some complexity. On our second round, we highlight our surface veins with pure white, so they're more vibrant after our final wash. Edge highlighting helps sell the look. Our last wash is only one coat. If you like it vibrant, you're done. Or tone it down with a Nuln Oil glaze. Marble, I'd varnish it to make it pop, but I'm making these models a matte finish. Now you too can have a faux marble model that looks like a tacky bank or a fancy ice cream shop. Here's an example of one I did in blue, if that pleases you. Be cute. Be cute. Good girl.